Hey, we are
Tokyo Hotel.
Check us out on T.com TV. Who's the funniest? Okay.
George.
So you see, it's George.
He's clumsy. He's clumsy. He don't want to be funny, but he's very clumsy, and a lot of funny things happen to him every
And I
day.
mean, look at him.
And just look
He
at
looks
him.
funny.
Yeah. He's just a funny guy. George just don't like to shower that often.
You can try it if you want.
Yeah. But he likes it, but you know, sometimes it's
As long as you feel comfortable.
right, as long as it be good, it's okay for us. If it's
Jessica
Alba,
then it's
maybe
Tom.
that's me, yeah.
Oh, Gustav, you're so sweet.
What's yours? What's yours? George.
As I said, he's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're boring, it's always me.
Oh, das ist doch hier.
Gustav?
Go out and...
No, he's not. Gustav is not talking at all. I
Yeah,
think.
that's true.
So I talk all the time and the whole day.
Yeah, maybe
so
it's Bill.
I think it's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That's
easy.
easy.
Yeah, that's probably me.
It's actually me.
Right.
And you don't have a driver license anymore? So
I think he had his driver license for half a year, and he had like
For 1.5 years.
10 accidents in this time. And
Just one.
So yeah.
Yeah.
That's Gustav.
The biggest lie that I always say every day that I love the guys.
Oh, that's sweet,
Boring.
Gustav.
Gustav, you're so sweet.